my bed, in my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed.
Hold up. Dinner for two, that's me and you, that's very simple. Dinner removed, okay, we through, but I ain't finished yet. Can I
What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So this is not really a vlog or a what, I don't know what this video is, but I'll be making today. I'm making hair conditioner. This is something I do when I'm not doing anything. Actually, it's a hobby for me, so I just wanted you guys to see what I was doing today because I chose to make hair conditioner today, so involving you guys, just a sneak peek of what I've been doing. Yes, so before I continue with this video will not include a voiceover. This is just showing you what I do, like bits and pieces, not step by step. It's not a tutorial. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit that post notification bell, so that you'll be notified of every time I drop a video. Okay, so let's get into this video, guys. Yes, was quick, right? Yeah, so that was just it for that video. Yes, just as I said before, we're just showing you guys what I do, not step by step. It wasn't a tutorial, just to show you guys what I do on a daily basis. So yes, yeah, peace, guys.